Okay.
The helpless helicopter.
Yeah, that's Bailey. Look, he's on.
Fly.
Stop, hon.
Get him.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, too close to the wall.
Mommy. Oh, look at it. Look. Where are you going to catch the helicopter?
He's like, I'm good.
No. Go bring it to Daddy. Let him bring it to you. That way he's not scared of it anymore. Man didn't let him bring it to you. Brody, look. Brody, look. Brody, can you get Daddy the airplane? Brody, go get Daddy the airplane. Can you give that to Daddy? It's not going to hurt you. Yeah, give it to Daddy. Good job. You did it. Yay. So I don't want him to get scared of it. That's why I was like... Whee!
How long those batteries last?
I don't know.
Not
I
long.
really time it like 15 minutes for I have to recharge it.
Whee!
Yeah, I got it. It's a wall plug. Just plug it in the wall.
That's pretty good.
Hold it up in the air.
Hold it up, Brody.
Hold it up.
Uh-oh.
You held it crooked.
Say that's okay. It's okay. Watch Daddy. There you go. Yay! Good job! Yay! Hold up straight. I'll help you. Will Mommy help you?
He don't want to let it go.
Oh, you did it! Oh, no! Oh, no!
The batteries are running low. I couldn't get it off the ground.
Oh, no!
Actually kind of hurt.
Batteries are running low. I can't lift it off the ground anymore.
Can you give that to Daddy, buddy? Don't step on it. Hand it to Daddy. Well, I couldn't see what he was doing.
I had to recharge.